Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. If you're familiar with this place, I've been here a couple times with you guys. This is the flagship Goodwill store in Southern California, and I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. If you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store. I haven't been here in like maybe I think like over a month, so I'm really excited to go inside. This is the regular store right here. Right over there is the outlet store. They're just next to each other. They're not connected. You have to go out to go into the other one. Can't film inside the other store though, but I'll show you guys what I ended up getting there. But let's go inside this Goodwill and check it out. There's a coach right here and a Kate Spade. This one's 25 and this one's like 35. I think I'm gonna get these two. Oh, you guys, check it out. I found this Michael Kors. The color is awesome, but this is a Michael Kors outlet bag. This one's $30. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. We'll think. Alright, you guys, there's a Fossil bag right here. The large satchel. It's only $5.99. I'm gonna throw it in my cart right here. And also, they're filming something. There's like a huge filming crew and something. I don't know what they're filming here today, but something cool. Here they are.
Wow, you know what? Don't say it if you ain't. Okay.
Oh, I just found another Fossil bag. I think I've actually found that one in the past. It's only and it's $14.99. I'm just looking at the rest of the stuff that's over here. I wonder what they're filming though. That's kind of cool that they're filming something here right now. I just found a REHAB bag. These are like pretty cool. They have this Coach bag right here. It's $14.99. I'm just kind of going through all the bags, but there's a lot of stuff here today, which is pretty cool. Emoda. The treasure hunt is like real today, looking through everything, but it's super fun. And plus I think they're filming like I think they're maybe filming one of those Goodwill commercials here right now. Oh my gosh, look at that pig. Look at how cute these little birdhouses are. So cute. I think they're like for votives or something, but like plants in there. This is definitely from Target, which is crazy. This is actually like a newer piece. Look at this. Look how pretty this bowl is. Alright, I'm looking through the glassware. These almost look like the ones that I have, but like it has like a more rounded thing on the bottom. Look at this. It has a bunch of chips in it though, but it's cool. Alright, let's look at the mugs. Maybe we can find some Anthropology or something. Jose Cuervo. Stop. An H mug. This is Anthropology for sure. For Hadrian, I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm looking for more Anthropology mugs. Look at this Halloween pillow. I wonder where it's from. Oh, there you go. Kentex. And it's $3.99. Super. Oh, look at these plates. These are pretty. Oh, Quentin Barrel, 99 cents. Ooh. There's 4 of them. Those colors are nice. Pier 1. Just looking at the rest of the plates. There's IKEA. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, Emile Henry. Stop. Are they both Emile Henry? They're only $3.99 each. That is so cheap. I'm dead. You guys, I used to have this backpack when I was little. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. If it wasn't like so damaged, I would totally get it. Look at all the furniture. There's a little bench thing. Oh, look at this table. I wonder what this looks like from the other side. Oh no. That coffee table is pretty interesting looking. Let's get this over so I can get through. Boy, are those like green chairs kind of fabulous. I'm pretty sure this is Pottery Barn. Maybe. And I am right. This is also Pottery Barn. Check these out, you guys. Some Stella McCartney Adidas. But there's like a hole in the very fronts. So, they're so cool though. I would totally wear these. I love the color combination. Alright, you guys. I'm looking through the Halloween stuff. Seeing if there's any decor. And I'm also looking for costumes for the kids. Especially for like Eliza. Just because he just likes to dress up. Especially around this time. So I'm gonna see if there's anything cute that I can find for him. Oh gosh, that is creepy. Oh look, I think she looks like Shirley Temple actually. Okay, so this Goodwill has like some amazing costume selection because the one by my house looks like it got like ransacked already, so I'm just going through the costumes, see if there's anything the kids might like. There's so much to look at. Check this out, you guys. These skins in its theory still has a tag originally $4.95. It's only 20 bucks. Hey guys, just got everything inside the car. Let's go home and I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, like I said, we're back at the house and I am super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting today at the Goodwill. And some of these items are going to be up for sale, so check it out at itsHadrian.com. And I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting because I got some pretty good stuff. I'm going to start, I think, oh, let me show you guys this. I got this really cute Star Wars button-up shirt. It's in a chambray and it has like Darth Vader and I think Boba Fett and a Stormtrooper. And it was only $2.49. It's super cute. And it's actually like Star Wars. Like the brand Star Wars. So I don't know where this is from. But it's really gosh darn cute. And this will probably fit either Eliza or Zach. So really cute. And they do love Star Wars so much. So this was an awesome find. I'm going to actually throw that into the washing machine right after this. And then okay, so I got two of these beautiful Pottery Barn pillows. Now these are usually very expensive because the pillows from there, depending on like if there's extra like embroidery or like anything like that, like usually the regular printed pillows are less expensive. So whenever you get to anything like with beading or with embroidery, it just gets a little bit more expensive. So this one is beautiful with the seahorses. They pretty much have this one almost every year during the summer season. So this one is awesome, and though summer has actually just ended like 2 days ago, I think, when you guys see this video, this one is surely gonna be like amazing. And this actually zips off. It had like this other pillow inside, which I think I'm just going to donate back to the Goodwill. I really just want the cushion, like the cushion cover. So there's that. Oh, and both of these pillows were $1 or $3.99. And this one is another one that I think is gorgeous. It has these starfish, and they're like beaded with the mother of pearl. So they're really pretty. See that? They're like iridescent and gorgeous. So amazing. And yeah, the same person donated this because it's like the same kind of pillow inside. But yeah, Pottery Barn 18 by 18, and this one is also 18 by 18. Yeah, they're both 18 by 18 pillows, and I'm just gonna take off the covers, the slip covers on them, and then throw them into the washing machine. So those are the first three things that I got. Then, oh, okay, so I got this H2Go Swig. It's just like I thought this would be like a pretty cool like stocking stuffer or like a gift or I don't know, something. So I wanted to just get one to try it out. They had a lot there, so if I like this, I will probably pick up a couple more. But they're pretty cool. Holds 14 fluid ounces. I looked them up. They're they're not like cheap, so that I think that they're a good deal. And they say Club 345. I don't know what club that is, but a water bottle is a water bottle as long as it holds water. This is actually pretty cool though, because I guess it holds hot drinks for 8 hours and cold drinks for 16 hours. So you can keep your liquids hot or cold inside of this. And yeah, I thought this was pretty awesome, and it was only 99 cents. I thought that was a really great price. Now this is I'm super excited about too, and this is an Anthropologie mug, an H1. Yes, I'm so excited. H for Hadrian. This one, I don't know why I'm taking the tag off. It was 99 cents, but yeah, it is Anthropologie, and I have a pretty good collection of these, but I don't have very many H's. Like, what if I had like all H mugs only? That would be so fun. But ooh, yeah, I should just save all my H mugs. Cause like imagine like a whole collection of just H mugs. I'm just like imagining it in my head. I'm just like a crazy person. But I just think this is so cool. I love collecting Anthropologie mugs. And the letter ones, I have a mission to try and collect every single letter. So I should actually see what letters I actually have right now. Maybe I have like half of the letters maybe. So another H. I already have one though. So I think I have one or two H's actually. Maybe one. But then these are another really exciting, super cool find. These are Emile Henry pie baking dish, and they are in a beautiful blue, and these are in the large size. These are the first ones that I have thrifted in the large size, so I'm very excited. And there's two and they match, so that's really nice. Emile Henry is usually very expensive. They sell these at Williams-Sonoma. They are amazing. So they bake beautifully. They're made in France. They're like they're kind of like they're just like what is it? Le Creuset or like Pampered Chef, like in that area. So they're really, really awesome, and they're just beautiful. Plus, like, you can give them as like a great hostess gift. Like, say you're gonna bring a pie to a party, and then you could be like, oh, and please keep the pan, and they'll be like, oh, okay, awesome, thank you so much. And yeah, I just think it's really nice. So there's that, and then I have 3 more things to share with you guys, and they are handbags. So the first one I have here, this one is a Rowalan. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. This is the first time I've seen this, and I looked up the brand, and they are actually pretty pricey, and I just thought that the leather on this was so nice. It's like such a nice, beautiful, distressed leather. Like, I thought at first when I saw it that it was maybe like a Patricia Nash or like a Kelsey Dagger or something like that. But yeah, Rowalan, and I believe this is handmade leather. I don't exactly know where it's made. I think when I was looking at it, like they're made in like either England or Italy, or I don't know. But regardless, the leather is amazing and it's just stunning. So very excited about this bag. It's a great little crossbody. And that was $5.99, I believe. And then this one is another really great bag, and I believe this one's a J. Crew. J. Crew. Yeah, this one's a J. Crew, and it was only $3.99. And this one is actually in fantastic condition. It's just like a nice tote. You can button up the sides or you can unbutton them, and then the bag will expand like that, which is nice. And then you can also use these little ties to tie the top together, so that way it doesn't like fall open. So, and then when you have like the two sides buttoned up and then you have this middle part tied up, it's actually very hard to get into your bag. So it's just as good as a zipper. And the leather is just a beautiful, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous like nude color. It has like some markings on it, but I think that I can get them out, because this leather is like really, it's like the kind of like really resilient and easy to clean. So I'm hoping that these like these are all just like superficial marks, but there is like darkening on the bottom, and that's kind of like where the finish has actually kind of rubbed off. So we'll see if we can clean it and just lighten it up a bit. But other than that, the bag is in fantastic condition, and at like $3.99, it's not a bad price. And then the last but not least item, I was very excited about this bag because it's very rare to find these bags in this color and in this style, for me at least. I haven't found too many. I found this, I think, once in black, but it is this beautiful Coach crossbody bag with silver hardware, which is another very rare thing. So it's gray with silver, and it's in pretty fantastic condition. Just needs a little bit of conditioning, but even just up like this, it's just gorgeous. And you know that this is like that beautiful vintage leather. Now this one though is not made in the USA, it is made in Costa Rica, but the ones that are made in Costa Rica are also vintage and are just as beautiful as the ones that were made in the US. And the leather on this one is also still stunning and beautiful, and it's held up very well over the years. So that is actually going to end our video today. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. Hope you guys had fun going thrifting and checking out all this cool stuff I found. And if you guys love thrifting, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications because I do post videos every single day. And also let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds. Let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2. And I'll see you guys all later. Love you guys. Bye.